Like so many people celebrating Halloween at home, this cake tutorial is for you. So you're going to take some buttercream and you're going to microwave it. And you're going to add any food coloring of your choice to the jar. You're going to take a spatula and you're going to mix that in really well. Get rid of all the white and mix that gel paste in really well. Blend it in really good. And then if you have a piping bag, great. If not, take a spoon and you're going to drizzle that around the edge of the cake to cause a drip effect around the edge of the cake. So this is for a Halloween drip cake. And you're going to do that completely around the whole cake. And then you're going to take a spatula and in the center coming to the edge, you're going to spread some more of that icing. Don't worry, it's going to firm up really nice once the hair hits it. It's going to firm up really nicely. So you're going to do that and go around in a circle. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. This is for my moms and dads at home that wants to do something quick and fun with the kids. So you use a spatula and you cover that top completely. And then I'm going to use tip number 1M. And I'm going to pipe some rosettes on top of the cake. So you can pipe rosettes really close or wide apart. It's up to you. For this tutorial, I just dropped 5 large rosettes on top of the cake. And then I'm going to take some candy eyeballs and stick it all around the cake. It's going to look really cute, guys, in the end. And then I'm going to use my tip 1M again and to make shell borders around the sides of the cake. Or if you want to drop large rosettes, or if you want to do dots, pipe dots, you can do that too. So you do that all around the sides of the cake. And then I took some Halloween sprinkles with a small spoon. And I put some sprinkles on the border of the cake as well. And if you want, you can put on the top of the cake as well, which you'll see at the end. And voila, you have a scary and fun Halloween cake for you and your kids.